In this video, I am going to introduce you to latent consistency models or LCMs in short. LCMs or latent consistency models offer rapid high resolution image synthesis by predicting solutions in the latent space. That results in reducing the need for extensive iterative sampling. LCMs deliver top-tier text-to-image generation performance in fewer steps and lower latency other than diffusion models. Let me show you some of the information from Hugging Face and also from their fabulous research. This is their project page where you can access the code, their paper, and lot of other stuff. If you look at the images generated by this model, the quality is top-notch. And these all images have been generated by simple text prompts. So the inference is really of very high quality. Look at this image from the autumn. This is one of my favorite and amazing stuff. Now they say that they can also do more generation results with 4 steps. For example, this these images here have are the result with LCM 4-step inference in this resolution 768 by 768 resolution, and they have used LCM to distill the Dream Shaper V7 version of Stable Diffusion in just 4,000 training iterations, and this is the result. Look at the quality of it. Amazing. Okay, now they also have a demo, and let me quickly show you. So if you go to their Hugging Face page, this is their model, sorry, and you can also install this model locally if you have a good beefy system. All you need to do is to install these two libraries, and then from there you can start doing the inference after importing this model. And this is the prompt which they are using here. And now let me show you their um, demo. So this is the demo page on their Hugging Face presence, and all you need to do is just enter your prompt here, click run, and that's about it. You can also select some of the advanced options by selecting the height and width of image and few other things, but let's stick with the default ones, including the seat. Let's go with this first one. So I'm selecting it, the sample provided by them, and it is here. Now click on run, and then it should generate the image. And you can see the speed, quite cool. There you go. So if you look at the prompt which we gave, it is a portrait photo of a girl photograph, highly detailed face, depth of field, moody light, golden hair, and we have also given it a style. And it has generated around 4 samples for us. Let's give it another one. A panoramic view of white sandy beach with people enjoying summer vibes. Let's see. There you go. I think amazing stuff. Not only it has given us this beach, the panoramic view, but also some of the skyline of some city, and then the people just enjoying the summer vibe. Now let's give it another one, a desert view of ancient rocks inspired by Australian outback. Let's run it. And you can check out the speed, how quick it is, and the quality is amazing. There you go. Amazing stuff. If you look at this, there's Uluru in Australia. Maybe it has just taken the inspiration from it. So quite intelligent, really impressive stuff. Now let's give it one more. A portrait of a man of subcontinental appearance, looking straight with a slight smile, inspired by Bollywood hero Shah Rukh Khan. Let's see. Sugar, as you can see, it is, well, what should I say? Um, doesn't look like a subcontinental dress, but that is fine. I mean, this is more like a lady's dress with ladies jewelry. I'm not sure why it has. Maybe I'll just give it Indian subcontinent. Maybe it is just going into the. I'll just give it a Pakistani because Shah Rukh Khan is an Indian hero. So we'll see what it does here. Okay, slightly not really cool enough. Anyway, so I think this is where it is failing, but still, if you look at the quality is amazing. Really, really enjoyed it thoroughly. Good stuff. Okay, so now let me quickly show you its abstract. So hats off to all of these researchers who have done this latent consistency model research. And then this is primarily a novel method that is tailored for fine-tuning LCMs on customized image data sets. And they also have done some evaluation on few of the benchmarks like Lion 5P aesthetics here, and it that has proven that LCM achieves state-of-the-art text-to-image generation performance with few-step inference. And if you want to read the whole paper, then you can download it from this right-hand side. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you want to go to their GitHub repo, you can do you can go there too. And then even I believe you can install it locally too. But you would need really beefy system for that. It won't work lightly. Okay. If you have any comments, please share them below the video. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.